Hi everybody, I believe you have heard about our project a lot, but I have to admit that it is to some extent so complicated to understand for new people in this field. Therefore, I make this video to tell you all about our project in a simple way so that you and acknowledge yourself and make the smartest choices. 1. Understanding about decentralized applications and its potentials. First of all, I will give you the overlook of DAPP. What is it and what are its advantages? Decentralized applications, DApps, run on a P2P network of computers. DApp is an open-source software that derives its power from the blockchain technology. DApps are not controlled by any single entity. Since DApps are not centralized, they are resilient, stable, autonomous, and secure than traditional applications. Moreover, DApps employ cryptocurrencies as the built-in medium of exchange. Experts believe that DApps may bring a significant revolution in our digital world, as huge as the one brought about by computer applications. Bitcoin is believed to be the first decentralized application. The idea of Bitcoin was born after problems surrounding centralization and censorship started to surface. Now, let's come to the top benefits of DApps. Why you should use it. 1. Security. The key advantage of DApp is its higher level of security. Since the code is stored on the blockchain and the information is distributed to all the nodes in the network, there is no single point of failure and thus makes it virtually impossible and hugely expensive to attack the whole network. In addition, transactions that occur on the blockchain are immutable, meaning that all verified transactions are stored permanently and cannot be tampered with, resulting in more secure data protection. 2. Transparency. All the records stored on the blockchain are open to the public, yet tightly secured through cryptocurrency. This stark transparency adds to its security, as every transaction is easily verifiable. In the context of DApps, this means that all executed amendments to the code, as well as all data stored on the blockchain, can be easily and precisely verified. Users of DApps can thus have confidence in its strong sense of data security and permanence of its records. 3. Speed, efficiency, and reliability. Decentralization essentially takes out the necessity for a middleman, resulting in faster and cheaper transactions. This also applies to the processing and storing of data on the blockchain, as well as those running on DApp. With the velocity of data coming from new and modern sources, such as the Internet of Things, IoT, DApps offer a fast, efficient, and affordable way to handle big data. Moreover, as there is no central data center to harbor the entirety of the data stored, DApps are immune to downtimes and physical outages. 4. Community involvement. In a decentralized software model, any changes to the underlying code can only be executed after reaching a consensus. This fosters a stronger sense of community involvement, as everyone in the network can actively participate and contribute to the decision-making process. Additionally, the inclusivity of DApps also extends to its synergistic capacity. As anyone can interact with and use a decentralized app once it's hosted on a blockchain, many DApps can be compatible with one another. This makes for a whole ecosystem of apps that seamlessly work together to create innovative solution. 5. Flawless incorporation with cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are the newest revolution in our world, and there is no denying about that. Similarly, a lot of DApps involve the cryptocurrencies, as the blockchain's servers were launched and introduced by Bitcoins. The cryptocurrency transactions are the most major utilization of the decentralized apps, where accepting incoming information and their verification through the help of mining is effortlessly possible. Next, let's spare some minutes to find about DApp current state, how it has matured. In the first quarter in 2019, a total of 504 DApps were added to DAPP.com, with Ethereum-based DApps dominated and accounted for more than half of the newly listed DApps. It shows that Ethereum is still the #1 choice for developers to build their DApp on. At the same time, we also have seen a trend in multi-chain developing, as many Ethereum DApps expand on multiple chains, such as Ethereum plus EOS or Ethereum plus Tron. In terms of the DApp activeness, 95% of the EOS DApps remained active, with 326 out of the 341 DApps had transactions in the first quarter. More than 80% of DApps that were built on the Steam and Tron networks had active users too. On the other hand, although beating other chains in terms of DApp amount, nearly 600 Ethereum DApps were in inactive status without a single transaction record over the past 3 months. Tron DApps had more than 300,000 active users, followed by EOS DApps with around 260,000 active users. By the end of 2019, the number of the wallets created on Tron mainnet has exceeded 2.3 million wallets. 15.46% were DApp users, raised nearly 1.5-fold since the beginning of 2019. Moreover, more than 80% of the Tron DApp users have used and made at least one transaction in DApps over the last 3 months. Catching that trend, DABanking team will focus on building an ecosystem on DApp, exploiting effectively entertainment market, and provide the best service to the community. The development team has come up with long-term strategies to make DABanking a powerful ecosystem that allows millions of customers to experience our services. Phase 1. Officially introduce game ecosystem DApp and start developing DAB token mining community. Phase 2. When the community reaches 3 million users, DABanking will officially announce its own blockchain and conduct swapping DAB token to the new DABanking blockchain. 2. The DAB token of DABanking. Next, I will explain to you about our main token. What is it? And what makes it different from others? DAB is the token foundation for DABanking's community development and will be swapped to DABanking own blockchain when DABanking blockchain is officially announced. The maximum total supply of token DAB in smart contract is 200 million DAB, and the only way to obtain DAB token is to use mining wallet. DABanking developer cannot have any other method to obtain DAB token besides exploiting as a normal users through mining wallet. So, why you should use DAB token for your smart investment? Firstly, the current amount of DAB token is so small compared to other cryptocurrencies. Its mining program uses the reserve fund, which helps to ensure the total amount of tokens circulating in the market always has the minimum actual reciprocal value. In fact, there are not many tokens having reciprocal fund like DAB. Besides, ETH platform technology and ERC20 algorithm are also incorporated into this program. That means anyone who owns ERC20 wallet will be able to make transaction. So nice, right? Secondly, the total amount of ETH from investors in treasury package will be locked in reserve fund. No one has the right to interfere with this fund, including the developer. The reserve fund is the guarantee value for token DAB. All are managed through smart contracts on DApps, decentralized applications. Everyone can monitor and control their investment security at any time. Thirdly, DAB does not create itself and can be burned. When you own DAB token, you can store for a long time, trading on a free trading platform or swap into a smart contract containing a reserve fund to collect ETH. This means it will eliminate the number of tokens currently circulating on the market, making the number of tokens on the market scarce. Fourthly, the price of DAB is currently very low, so the potential growth of it will be very enormous, especially for those who own the DAB token at this time, a very favorable time. Fifthly, after the project reaches 3 million members, the DABanking will have its own blockchain. At this time, the DAB token will become the coin foundation and its value will certainly grow faster. Last but not least, even in the worst case that the DAB value does not rise, you will be able to receive profits. Why is that? Let's find out. 3. Currently, with almost every other project, all sources of money from the investor will be directly transferred to the project owner's wallet. The project owner holds the entire amount of money, which means he will be the person who decides the whole fate and existence of the project. There are projects that today are developing normally and paying very high interest, but the next day they can be squeezed and pay very little interest. Or maybe at present, the liquidity of the project is still maintained in a good way, but the next day it can be closed. It is a normal thing. Because of that, in most of the current financial projects, their owners often rarely show up. But with DA banking, you do not have to worry about it anymore. Your money will be transferred to a safer place, a more public place, a place that everyone knows, but they cannot take money out of there if they don't comply with the rules. This is an application about DAPP, using the smart contract technology, a technology with the transparency and safety for investors from around the world. With DA banking, when you activate the investment packages, for example, 1000 USD, 2000 USD, or 3000 USD, and deposit your money at the address of DA banking, you will receive interest and commission from your business development every day. When you have these two types of money, you can use it in trading or activating new packages. Especially, you can also utilize interest and commission to mine the project's coin, DAB token. When you have these DABs, you can buy and sell them freely on all exchanges or within your system. You can also take advantage of these DAB tokens to use functions in the ecosystem of the project, as well as activate new investment packages if you want. But most importantly, DAB token is the only key to withdraw ETH from the project's wallet, and even the owner of this project cannot get the money out without a DAB token. So, if you join the DA banking project, how will you invest? And why should you invest in the DAB token mining, but not another one? In the first stage, DA banking does not allow participants to invest more than 5,000 USD, which proves the long-term development vision of the project. It is not simply a project which wants to raise a lot of money in the beginning. Only with from $200 to $5,000, anyone can start with this wonderful project. The daily rate you receive is 0.5% a day. After 1 month, you will get 15%. But the best thing is, while getting only 0.5% a day, you can still receive up to 20%, 30%, 50%, even 1000% a month. This is great, right? When you invest, you will have two types of wallets. The first one is the gold wallet that will receive 800% of the investment amount. The second one is the green wallet that will get 200% of the amount that you invested in this project. For example, supposing you invest $5,000 in the project, then the gold wallet will receive 800% of $5,000, which makes $40,000. The green wallet will get 200% of $5,000 and eventually have $10,000. You will receive daily money of 0.5% based on the green wallet by multiplying 0.5% and the amount of money in the green wallet together. Money in your green wallet is $10,000. Let's multiply $10,000 by 0.5% and you will have $50. And when you get $50 on the first day, then the second day, your green wallet will have $9,950 left. This is because $50 daily profit from the previous day was taken from the green wallet. At this point, the profit you receive on the second day will be 0.5% multiplied by $9,950, which equals $49.75. So, you can see, you will get 0.5% based on 200% of the package value in the green wallet. After 1 month, you will receive approximately 30%, which is paid according to the remaining amount in the green wallet. To an investor who is not involved in the development of the business team, it is possible that the amount in their green wallet will become less and less. In the first month, you can get up to 28%, and the interest rate will decrease over time. But when you are involved in developing the business team, with F1, who are your direct referrals, you will get up to 50% commission on the F1 investment package, and the money will be transferred from gold wallet to green wallet. For example, if an F1 purchases a $5,000 package, you will get 50% of $5,000, which equals $2,500. This amount will be transferred from the gold wallet to the green wallet. Now, your green wallet eventually has $12,500 after adding $2,500 to $10,000. And your gold wallet will have $37,500 left after subtracting $2,500 from $40,000. Now, the amount of money you receive in a day is 0.5% multiplied by $12,500 in the green wallet. Then you will receive $62.5 a day. Similarly, supposing that your second F1 joins another $5,000 package, then 50% of $5,000, which equals $2,500, will continue to be moved from your gold wallet to your green wallet. So, the green wallet now has $12,500 plus $2,500 equals $15,000. The gold wallet has $37,500 minus $2,500 is $35,000. Now, multiply 0.5% and $15,000 and $15,000 you are having in the green wallet together, and you will receive $75,000 a day. With this calculation, it can be said that creating a profit is very easy for you guys. It not only generates an extremely smart cash flow, helping your project grow in a long run, but also brings a source of income that is very high. For F2 to F10, you will receive 10% commission and 5% from F10 to Fn. This is considered as a very large percentage. And when you move all money from the gold wallet to the green wallet, it means that the green wallet will have 1000% of the package value you purchase. Specifically, in this case, you join the project with $5,000. After moving all the money from the gold wallet to the green wallet will have $50,000. Every day you will receive 0.5% of $50,000, which equals $250. When all the money from the gold wallet is moved to the gold wallet, you can activate the second package if you want. Besides, you also have the opportunity to receive many other valuable gifts when you develop the business team. When you reach level 4, you will receive one iPhone XS phone worth $1,000. When you go to level 5, you will get a diamond ring worth $2,000. Level 6 prize is a Hublot clock worth up to $6,000. 7-star reward is a Rolex watch worth $20,000. 8-star level reward is a very luxurious Mercedes car up to $50,000. 9-star reward is a beautiful Maserati car. The most advanced award is a 10-star level prize with Lamborghini supercar, a dream car of everyone in the world. And to find out more details about this project, as well as simple conditions for you to join, you can contact the person who gives you this information. This will be the most favorable opportunity in history that surely you don't want to miss it. At this moment, please contact the person who gave you the information to find out more. Hope you will quickly seize this opportunity to make your dream come true. Now, you have gone through all of the main parts that need to be concerned about our project. I hope you will have the best choice on your own as soon as possible, because you really don't want to miss this opportunity. Thank you for listening. See you soon.